shades.
Mainit eh.
Still, it's moving.
Hulaan niyo kung ano ako.
If you look very closely, you can see the black drops that don't have the light on.
Peacock. Hindi masyadong clear.
Peacock yata eh.
Oh, peacock. Hindi masyadong nabuo ng wasto.
I thought that was darkness. I didn't see the darkness. Oh, that was it.
Parang 10.
1 hour.
Meron din niya sigurado kadyo.
Next one's gonna be short.
Saka ano, umani vlog.
It's gonna be short.
Yun na, Visa card.
Visa card.
Visa card.
Lawin. Philippine Eagle. Ganda. Wow, the wings are moving.
Maganda siya.
Tapos meron pa siya other drones sa ano para i-glitter. Wow. Para i-glitter.
Para po mag-air.
Oh, man. It's gonna be nice.
Casey. Gusuayam.
Butterfly.
Who do you think am I?
Or is it gonna be the Oman logo? The Oman flag logo?
It's an elephant. Elefante.
It's big. The water.
Ay lumalabas sa trunk niya.
Black drones. Mommy, you can see the black drones. See it?
Yeah, it's moving a bit. There's something from the trunk. And the tail is also moving, Casey. Guess who I am? Guess who I am? Guess who I am? I'm going to be...
Nothing.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da.
V-shape. Something.
What is it? Don't keep on touching it. Don't keep on because I'm taking a
It's
video.
gonna be like an eagle hawk environment.
Aha!
Oh, so close.
An owl, yeah.
Hey, why are you looking at me? Big guy. Guy.
Whoa!
What if I just throw this?
Why are you looking at Mat Mat?
I know, she looks at me all.
And to Casey also. Oh, ano ako? Hulaan niyo, ano ako?
Me!
Taking a video.
Case.
Ano ako?
Parrot.
Falcon.
Oh, a parrot.
Ang ganda.
So vibrant. That's what it is. Yeah, vibrant. The red is really popping.
Colors are very rich.
It's even flying. Look, you can see it's just going up above the cloud.
Why the colors are very rich?
It's a color combination that looks very nice.
Where's the tractor?
Wow.
It's disappearing. I think it's that's gonna be monkey. Something with The tree over there. See the tree? You see the tree? Shows. Blinded myself.
Next.
So cold, but it doesn't.
3 minutes na lang.
3 minutes. Please come.
Comment.
It's moving. I can see the drones moving.
Ay. Comment. Donkey.
It's part going on an upside down t-shirt.
Streets.
Yun, may egg.
May egg
Bus.
pa.
Egg ba yan o pupo?
Egg.
Ha?
I can see the egg.
Nawala ang itlog.
Bumaba yung
Dana,
egg.
dana egg.
Ala ka, babay itlog. The egg's gonna crack and it's become a chicken.
Oh.
Bumaba pa.
I see the
Ayun.
Ayun.
Okay.
They're creating a storyline with this. Baby chicken. Or that is that a baby food?
Umakyat.
Camel. It's either camel or giraffe. Camel or giraffe. The first one is camel. Camel or giraffe.
What do you think is it?
Split
What do you
it
think
up.
it is?
Orange. May isa pa sila dito, yung orange.
Sorry. Flamingo.
Oh.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Looks like a swan.
They're not gonna do the same animal. It's actually a swan. That's white.
Swan?
Yeah.
Swan.
It's like facing that way too.
Swan.
Yeah, not.
Ganda.
It's dark.
Hulaan nyo kung ano ako.
Still see it moving. Still.
It's blue.
Alligator. Is that tall? It must be an alligator.
Okay, see.
Something with 2 horns. Yeah, I already told you. It's something with 2 horns. Camel horse? Camel horse, deer. With 2 horns. Reindeer. It's a dolphin.
Orange.
2 reindeer.
That is the reindeer here.
He's walking.
Santa Claus.
Tama.
Christmas is already over.
Ayan na si Anna.
Noodles! She's gonna throw a single stick. Noodle. Ramen. Ramen. Bowl. Plate.
Wow.
Bugs Bunny.
Si Bugs Bunny, si Rabbity.
No, Bugs Bunny's great.
Rabbit.
Tom and Jerry. Ayaw baka. Mataba na dyan.
To be honest, the drone might be more accurate than the costume.
Sino yan? Si Tom and Jerry.
Bye-bye. Don't small. Is it a rabbit? It's leaving. Looks like a human with like a big back. It's leaving.
Nice, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Nice.
Si Mickey Mouse yan.
Real pala.
It's leaving. See, it's finished. No, Aman. Follow it.
just wait. Kasi ano yan.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan.
Coming back.
Coffee back.
Ayan.
I think it's just going really low. That's not nice. He's over.